Boosting Self-Confidence, a guide to believing in yourself. Hello and welcome to today's video, Boosting Self-Confidence, a guide to believing in yourself. In today's fast-paced world, it can be easy to lose sight of your worth and forget to believe in yourself. But having self-confidence is essential for living a fulfilling life, and it's never too late to start building it. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of self-confidence, the impact it has on our lives, and practical tips for boosting your self-confidence. Let's get started. Understanding self-confidence. Self-confidence is defined as the belief in one's abilities, qualities, and judgment. It's the foundation of our personal and professional lives, and it's essential for our overall well-being. A lack of self-confidence can lead to low self-esteem, negative self-talk, and a constant feeling of insecurity. On the other hand, having strong self-confidence can help us to overcome challenges, reach our goals, and live our lives to the fullest. Impact of self-confidence. Self-confidence has a significant impact on our lives. From our relationships to our careers. People who lack self-confidence tend to avoid taking risks and trying new things, which can limit their growth and opportunities. They may also struggle with healthy boundaries and may be more likely to tolerate negative or toxic behavior from others. On the other hand, people with strong self-confidence are more likely to take calculated risks and pursue their goals and dreams. They have healthier relationships and are better equipped to handle setbacks and challenges. Boosting self-confidence. So, how can we boost our self-confidence? Here are some practical tips. Focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small, and remind yourself of the things you are proud of. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who uplift and encourage you. Take care of yourself by practicing self-care and engaging in activities that bring you joy and happiness. Challenge negative thoughts and reframe them into positive affirmations. Set achievable goals for yourself and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Overcoming self-doubt. Self-doubt is a common struggle, but it's important to remember that it's just a temporary feeling. By facing our fears and challenging our negative thoughts, we can learn to overcome them and grow stronger in the process. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people, and focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Remember that everyone has moments of self-doubt. But the key is not to let them control your life. The power of positive thinking. The power of positive thinking cannot be overstated. By focusing on the positive and replacing negative self-talk with affirmations, we can change the way we perceive ourselves and our abilities. Positive thinking can help us build self-confidence, overcome challenges, and lead a more fulfilling life. That's all for today's video on boosting self-confidence, a guide to believing in yourself. Remember, self-confidence is essential for living a fulfilling life. And it's never too late to start building it. Focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people, and challenge your negative thoughts. With time and effort, you'll be well on your way to boosting your self-confidence and believing in yourself. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos on relationship and self-improvement. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.